Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning, your go-to channel for mastering Excel. Today we are diving into a simple yet incredibly powerful function in Excel, the Today function. Whether you are tracking deadlines, calculating age, or creating reports, today is your go-to function. Stick around, because I am going to show you how to use the Today function to automate dates and simplify your work. Okay, let's get started. It automatically returns the current date based on your computer system clock. It's dynamic, meaning it's updated automatically every day. You don't have to change it manually. Excel does the work for you. The formula syntax is super simple, no arguments, no complications. Let me show you how to use it with some real-world examples. To display today's date, select an empty cell. Type =, today, parenthesis. Now hit enter, boom. Excel instantly shows today's date. And remember, tomorrow it will automatically update to reflect the new date. Imagine you are tracking a project deadline. Your deadline is in cell B2. To find out how many days are left, use this formula. Type =, select the cell B2. -, type today, parenthesis. Finally press enter. Excel will give you the number of days remaining. If the result is negative, it means the deadline has already passed. Let's say you want to know how many days have passed since January 1, 2024. Use this formula, =, today. Add a -sign. Select the D2 cell. Now press enter. The output will be the number of days between January 1, 2024 and today. When we pair it with the DATEDIF function, we can dynamically calculate days based on the current date. Type this formula. Here, F2 contains the date of birth. Today ensures the age is always current. Y specifies that you want the result in years. And that's it. The Today function is an easy yet powerful tool to automate dates and make your spreadsheet smarter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Easy Learning and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.